In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and TradingView. We'll start from a simple Google search. Open the official TradingView site, find the gold versus US dollar chart, and use the replay feature to practice reading price action in a clean, controlled way. Open your browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type TradingView. In the results, look for the official listing titled TradingView, Track All Markets, and click it. This takes you to TradingView.com, where you can access charts for stocks, forex, crypto, and more. If you see multiple results, choose the one that clearly points to the official domain to avoid landing on lookalike pages. Once the home page loads, click the search option at the top of the page. This opens TradingView's powerful symbol and idea search. In the field that appears, type gold versus US dollar, which is commonly shown as XAUUSD. When you see the gold versus US dollar result, click it to open the interactive chart. The chart will load with candles, time frames, and the standard toolbar across the top and left side. Next, find the replay button on the top toolbar. This is TradingView's Bar Replay tool. Click it to enter replay mode. Replay is great for learning and reviewing. It lets you wind the chart back to a prior point in time and watch how price unfolded as if it were happening live, without seeing the future candles. Now, click directly on the point in the chart where you want the replay to begin. Pick a candle in the past that you want to start from. If you prefer a certain time frame, like the 1 hour or 5-minute view, make sure it's already selected so the replay runs exactly how you want. With the start point set, click play. The chart will advance bar by bar, showing how price developed. This is an excellent way to test how you would have reacted in real time. If you see speed controls, you can fine-tune how quickly candles print, but the key is to watch the structure unfold at a pace you can analyze comfortably. When you're ready to stop, click pause. This freezes the action so you can review your levels, indicators, or notes without the chart moving ahead. To exit replay mode, click the X in the replay panel. A prompt will appear to confirm. Click Leave to close replay and return to the live chart view. That's it. You've gone from a Google search to TradingView and completed a clean replay session on gold versus US dollar. Use this workflow to practice consistently, refine your strategy, and build confidence without market pressure.